Hey, welcome to a bonus video. I'll show you how to use the ChatGPT API in this video. The ChatGPT API allows you to create programs which allow your users to use ChatGPT through your program. Perhaps you want to make a chatbot which gives the same answers as ChatGPT, or you may want to integrate it with a psychotherapy app where users can ask for advice. So the possibilities are endless. Let me show you how to access the ChatGPT API. So you want to go to openai.com and then go to the API section here. Then you want to sign up for an account and log in after that. And then you should see this page, and then you want to go to personal and then go to view APIs. There you'll see a list of existing APIs if you have any. Otherwise you want to create a new secret API. So copy that, that's your API, put it somewhere for now. And then you want to ask ChatGPT perhaps how to use the API in Python. So we'll use Python as the programming language. So you can just say, give me an example of the usage of the ChatGPT API in Python. And that's exactly what we wanted. That's a minimal example. So I'll copy that, go to PyCharm and paste it somewhere. So you want to install the OpenAI library first. So go to your terminal and do pip install, execute that, and that will install the library. And then in here, openapi.api_key, you want to paste your API key. So paste it there. And then we have this function. So in here, we are accessing the completion class of the API library. And then we access the create method of the completion class. And create method is the method which will return the response of the chatbot. So this create method gets a series of arguments. This here can be improved to 3 actually. This is a better model. This is the algorithm that returns those responses. Now, ChatGPT itself, the one we use from the chat.openai.com website, uses an even more advanced model than this, which has also reinforcement learning, which makes it better than this version here. Anyway, the two models are very similar still. So there goes the prompt. So that's your question, the user question in the prompt. And then we have like how many words should the question in total have. So the user prompt. So that's 1024 for now. You can go up to 4000. That's the number of iterations. Actually, these two you don't really need. You can remove them. That's an important argument. That's the temperature. You can set a value from 0 to 1, and 0 means the answers that ChatGPT gives you are more accurate but less diverse, and 1 means there's more diversity, more creativity, but a bit less of accuracy. So 0.5 is like a good midpoint. So there we go. Then we extract. From that, we extract the actual answer. So that's like a specific object which we need to extract. So text will extract the actual string that the chatbot is giving to us, and we return that string. So that function returns the answer of ChatGPT. And then in these lines here, we are simply calling this function, right? So that's a sample prompt. What is the meaning of life? And that is being sent to the input prompt. and that is being used as the input for this getResponse function, right? And then we print out the call of this function. So if I run this now, we should get the meaning of life. So the meaning of life is subjective. That's the answer of ChatGPT. So that's how you access the API through Python. So you can expand this program, you can make this a graphical user interface, a web app, whatever you like. That's how you get an answer from the chatbot. So I hope you find this useful, and thanks a lot for following this course. Good luck with Python and ChatGPT. See you.